Hello everybody, I'm here with the Empties video. Okay, so I'm going to jump right in because I got a lot of stuff. I got some Ultra Bright that I used up. I buy this a lot and it's good. Lifebuoy soap always smells so good. Every time I see it, I grab some. This is Band Deodorant. Works well. I like it a lot. This is the Fragrance Booster from Dollar Tree. It's okay, but I like the other one better. The orange is okay, but I'm not super crazy about it, but it works, you know. I got these toilet tissue big rolls from Walgreens. This is an excellent buy. I think it's 6 for $10. I got this one and another one. And the roll lasts pretty good. I like it a lot, and I will be buying some more of that. I got the LA's Totally Awesome Just Detergent. They are watering it down even more, y'all. But I had it for a while, so I just used it up. This is really good. I got the Good Sense Flat Ties Tall Kitchen Bags. I love this. This works really well. It has a spring scent to it. It's made in the U.S. And you get, how many bags is in here? You get 15 bags. That's a really good buy. And I don't know if this was $1.25. I don't see the price up here. But it's somewhere up in there, like $1.25 or so. I got some more LA's Totally Awesome in the lemon. Watered down. I have the Spa Soap Creamy Milk and Honey Moisturizing Hand Soap in a different Dollar Tree. I love this. I love this one and the one that smells like Dow. I like a lot. Definitely will pick this up. I always buy it anyway. I love the Bath and Body Works Disco Daydream Aloe and Vitamin E Shower Gel. This stuff is good. Remember I told y'all I got it on sale. When they have those, I think it's 75% off or something like that. Around the holidays, that's when usually I get their stuff. I got the Total Home 5 Selection Paper Towels. So the Total Home brand is from CVS, and I like it a lot. Products seem to be pretty good. Yes, I like this. I like this is the Brush Buddies Herbal Toothpaste infused with activated charcoal. I love this. I get this from Dollar Tree. Haven't been to Dollar Tree for a while, but I'm going back and pick up some more things. It's very rich. It's very rich. I got the Bath and Body Works Midnight Blue Citrus Fine Fragrance Mist. I can squeeze a little more out of here. That's not. I can still smell it. This stuff smells so good. And you know how they have that coupon and you can get think it's something for $9.95 for free, and I'll be getting these little bottles. Smells really good. I have one of my favorite makeup foundation is the Color Perfect liquid makeup. I always get this kind. I can't even hardly scrape any, a little bit out. A little bit. And it works well. And I usually get this. They have it at most drugstores, but I usually get it from CVS because they usually have it on sale, like $5 or something. Sometimes a little less. So that's a good deal. So I have to pick up some more soon. I got the Sensitive Extreme Fluoride Anti-Cavity Whitening Toothpaste. This is pretty good, but I think I told y'all before, it's real strong for it to be for sensitive teeth. It's really strong, but I like it. It really freshens your breath. And from Dollar Tree, y'all, sometimes I find it at my local dollar store, but sometimes they have products from Dollar Tree. I have the Blancanieves laundry detergent, and I like to buy this because it comes in a nice big bag for little or nothing. Y'all, I went to the dollar and just to browse around. I'm sweating like a pig, y'all. Just to browse around, and I was looking at the laundry detergents, and that store usually have the cheapest stuff, and I noticed their prices done went up so high. So if you go to a store and you see like a big thing of laundry detergent and it's a nice price, you better go on and get it, because I was at another store this week too. I can't think what it was, whether it was the supermarket, or was I? And the laundry detergents went up real high, and I was telling my mother about it. This here is the Bolero Beverly Hills Texture and Bounce Conditioner. Papaya and green tea and sunflower oil. I love this stuff from Dollar Tree. When I brought it, I didn't know anything about this product here, but it's a conditioner and it's really good. So if you see it, please check it out. And as soon as you put it on your hair, you start feeling, how soft your hair starts to feel with this. That's some good stuff. I got my old reliable favorite, Suavitel. Y'all know I buy this all the time. I have Oxidol Ultra Dishwashing Liquid Advanced Grease Cutting Formula. Got this from Dollar Tree. It wasn't all that. It was okay, but it wasn't all that. Let's sit up here online and say it was, because it wasn't all that. It was, in a pinch, you don't have anything else. It worked. And that's about the size of it. I have Old Reliable Blue Magic Bergamot Hair and Scalp Conditioner. Nourish your hair and scalp. Now, we've been using this for a long time. I was a little girl. My mom was using this on her hair. I got a little bit left on these dry lips here. Dry hands and stuff. But it smells the same. It works well. Something that I will always buy. As long as they have it, I will be buying it. Because I had a good stash from maybe 4 or 5 years. Remember, I did the video a long time ago. And I'm still using up that stuff, y'all. I still got a little more left. And, a little reliable here. Let's see what else I got here. I got the All with Stain Lifters Free and Clear. So you remember I reviewed this before and I told y'all I don't know what was so great about this, because to me it didn't really remove the stains and stuff like they say it does. And of course it's free and clear, so there's no smell. But if it was strong on the stain removal, I would buy this again, because you know I need some hypoallergenic products along with my other stuff. But that there, I have a video where I brought a lot of the scent boosters. So if I didn't release that yet, this was in it too. And this is the Downy Light Ocean Mist In Wash Scent Booster. Okay. And it's supposed to be light, y'all. There's nothing light about this. It just smells so good. Oh, it smells good. Oh, it smells so good. I'm kind of thinking, and I may ruin it by doing this, but you know those diffusers? I have one, and I'll be using it with the oil. You're supposed to use it with the oil and put the water in there. Sometimes I put water and perfume. It makes it smell good. But I'm thinking that I may want to add some of this to some water and put in there too, because it smells so good. Ooh. I think this is one of my favorite ones. It smells so good. Definitely be getting that again. And it's expensive when you don't catch it on sale, but that smells good. I got the Downy Fresh, and this was okay. It smells good, but don't smell as good as that stuff. I will buy it again. Yes. And I think this is my last product here. Anais. I remember this old perfume. About 2 years ago, I was buying everybody's stuff for Christmas, and I stumbled across this. I stumbled upon this, and I said, I'll get that. Maybe I'll get that for me for Christmas. And it lasted a really long time. Now it's a little tiny bit coming out. I was testing it because I was saying, it still should be a little more in here. It was a little tiny bit. But this stuff is old-fashioned and it smells so good. I hope I can find it again, because the store where I got it from closed down in a little bit of time. But this is something that you will always want to keep on hand. Especially, you know, younger people may not know about it, but it's good for us older ladies, because we remember Anais. It was coming out. It smells so good. Oh, okay, it wasn't coming out before. I'm going to have to put this back and get the last little bit out, y'all. Yummy, yummy, yummy. That smells so good. So this is it for my empties, y'all. Hope you enjoyed it. I will be coming back with some more videos. I'm kind of stretching these videos out so I can get a little time to myself for other things. I'm cutting back on social media a little bit, but I will still be here, but I may not be I may post a video once a week. Usually I do 2 times a week, But I think I'm going to do it once a week now for a while. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for subscribing. Thanks to my new subscribers, my old subscribers. Thank you for sticking with me all these years. I really appreciate y'all. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do. It's free. Okay, please comment and share, and have a wonderful, wonderful day.